Okay, students, look, if you look at question number 2, now this goes like this. So for the following diagrams, identify whether the relation is a function or not. So let's make this bigger a little bit. Okay, let's make this bigger. Look at this question. So if you take a look at the first diagram اللي هو had, so the input is 2. How did I know the input is 2? Because of the arrows. The arrows are pointing to the right. So the input is 2. Now what is the output for it? It's 3. Now when the input is 4, the output is 3. When the input is 6, the output is 4. So for every input, okay, for every input, okay, there is an output. Okay. In other words, in input 2, it does not have 2 different outputs. So it goes like this. If the input has 2 different outputs, like part B, for example, look at part B, -1. One time it is giving me 4, and another time it is giving me 5. So it's giving me 2 different outputs every time. This is a relation that is not functioning. So this is not a function. Part B is not a function. Part A is a function because 2, it constantly giving me 3. 4, it's constantly giving me 3. 6, it's constantly giving me 4. 8, it's constantly giving me 5. It doesn't change. So if I repeat the same experiment, this one, it's going to give me the same output. Okay? But here, if I repeat the experiment, -1 مرة بتعطيني 4 and another time it's giving me 5, this is confusing. You should have one output for every input. Okay, just one output that is unique, and if you repeat the experiment, it gives you the same output. مش كل مرة شكل. So part A is a function, part B is not a function. Let's take a look at the mark scheme, students. Look at the mark scheme. So it says here, our part, it is a function, tiny part, not a function because one input has many outputs. All right.